Hi guys, my name's Lily. And I'm Mickey. Today we're going to open my toys.
Mom went to Target today. You guys have been so good during this coronavirus thing that I thought you guys
I got Poppy.
Okay. Got Poppy?
From the new Trolls.
Yeah, Trolls is coming out, huh?
I think I got...
What do you have, Mickey? What kind of mystery thing? FGTeeV?
And
Lily, what do you got?
And...
Toy Story 4 and FGTeeV toys.
No, I'm just going to open this first. See what I got. I'm hoping I'll get... I hope I get...
Saving the best for last.
I hope I get Forky because I think I didn't get Forky. I'm hoping I get Jessie.
Dad, you want to help them open them?
I
You just put like that.
Mickey, you want some scissors? Get some scissors for him. Mickey, don't do that. They'll hurt your teeth.
You guys are funny.
Ooh, your feet. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
That's hard.
I think you guys are rushing and you guys can't open them. Okay.
We're supposed to use little scissors.
Be careful.
There you go. And I have gotten...
And the suspense has been killing me. I don't know what took you guys so long to open that package.
Oh,
What'd you get, Mickey?
I got Buzz. I didn't even open it.
Let's see, Lily. Show everybody. You got Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear. You get your arm, Pop. Maybe you have to do it from right here.
Be careful, don't cut your finger, please. Okay. Should be good, Mickey. Mickey, suspense is killing me, dude. What do you got? What is it?
I don't know who this is.
Oh, that's her little, that's
The bear.
Bonnie's little bear. I forgot his name. It should say on here.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't say the names? Oh, okay.
But tell me what I got, okay? Tell me what I got. Funnel Boy! I got this. Glow in the dark. It goes in the dark. I got Funnel Boy. Funnel Boy.
What'd you get, Lily?
Funnel Boy.
It's like a...
Lobby fish.
Oh, okay.
The glow. No fair. You got the rare one. It's way rare.
Is yours rare, Lily?
Yes.
Let's see.
Look, see on the package?
Oh, does that mean it's worth something?
Glow lobby fish.
You got a rare one.
Glow.
That is
I
cool.
wanted a rare. Glow lobby fish. It glows in the dark.
Mickey, what else did you get?
Oh, nothing.
What'd you get?
Where did Dad put the movies like a couple of days ago? Oh, I know. Up there. Want to show you guys this glows in the dark?
Daddy?
Not yet.
Oh, it has to be.
I'll tell you what. It's not Lily. It's... Okay, try. Glows in the dark. Then you need to turn off all the lights.
Yeah, it's probably time to turn off all the lights.
Get down. Can you come and help me? Yeah, hold on.
Daddy?
Mickey
Mickey needs his video. Daddy? Daddy? Oh my goodness. Busy playing video games. Daddy likes to hide movies.
Ugly dolls.
Okay. Mickey, come here.
Lily. I can't believe I got the
Okay, so what movie do you got, Mickey? Ugly Dolls. And you're going to open it?
Look for Forky. says, look for me.
Is Forky rare on this?
I think so.
Mmm.
I don't really care if I open it, so I'm gonna open it. I don't want to wait until Easter. Well, should I wait until Easter or should...
No, open it.
Okay. Okay. Here's a front spine in the back.
I'm sure that the Easter Bunny will give you another movie for Easter. I know you wanted this one for Easter, but it's on sale now, so I got it for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Was Child's Play on sale? Or no?
I did not look for Child's Play.
I don't want this tag. I hate tags.
Well, why don't you have Daddy do that? Oh my gosh, Daddy takes tags off everything. Have Daddy. Oh my gosh. Lily, we can't go to emergency room right now because with the coronavirus, like, emergency rooms are packed. Why don't you have Daddy?
Here's the digital code. I'm gonna...
Lily.
Here's the discs.
Ooh, those are cool discs. Wow. So is there only 2?
What?
Is there only 2 in there? Sometimes movies have 3. Yep, only 2.
It feels like it has 3, but it didn't.
Lily.
So that's what we got today. Funnel boy, funnel boo, funnel boo. Oh my God.
Lily.
You can move his head.
Lily,
Wait, can you
you're making
move
me
the blobby
nervous.
fish?
Why don't you have Daddy do
Look,
that?
you move blobby fish.
Okay, she got it.
Wait, move blobby fish.
Now she doesn't have a tag?
Now look at her. She looks good. Come on, next time. Can you give me, when you go back to the store, can you give me like branch? Branch.
Ranch from Trolls. If I can, they didn't have very many.
How many did
There's only like 3 like trolls there and 1 poppy. I don't remember what the other 2 are.
Wait, is there,
I think one of them was that glitter one, the one with the white hair. I don't remember who the other one was. I didn't see Branch though.
oh, the little one, the little white one?
The like silver
Wait, hold
Wait.
on. Wait,
glitter one with white hair. I don't know its name.
oh, I think it's Sparkle Butt. Look,
Yeah.
there's a couple rare, and this one is super rare.
Okay, well let's look for rare ones.
And this is
So
not
cool,
rare.
you got a rare one, Lily. You guys always want the rare ones, and you guys
Look,
never
it
get
says,
them.
look for me. I
So,
showed her.
so Forky must be rare.
Must.
Okay, well, thank everyone for coming to visit
Bye,
your
everyone.
channel.
Subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Bye.
Big thumbs up.
Bye. And don't forget to check out FGTeeV and Toy Story 4. Oh, and Ugly Dolls. And Trolls, the new one. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, thumbs up. Bye. Bye. Bye.